Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today. And today I'm going to share with you guys my BoxyCharm box. Just came in the mail and I'm in my dining room filming this because my husband is taking a nap in the other room. We just both got home from work and it's a Monday today, so we are super tired. But anyway, I did really want to open my box because I was really excited about some of the products in the box this month, and I really just was looking forward to opening it. Now, I know a lot of you guys expressed interest that you wanted to see me do some like a try on with the products and show you guys how they perform and work, and I do want to do that, but I'm going to do it in a separate video because I really want to open this box today, and I definitely do not have the time to film the try on today, and I don't think I will have time until this coming weekend, and I don't want to put this video out too late, so just be on the lookout and I will do a video trying out some of these products for you guys on camera. But I'm going to open up this BoxyCharm box, and this is the January BoxyCharm. And so far I'm really liking BoxyCharm. I definitely like it better than Ipsy. And I like it better than the Sephora Play Box, but it is more expensive, but I do think you get your money's worth. So for that reason, I am happy. So the theme this month was Boxy and Chill, and I love this little picture thing they've got in the background. I think that's super cute. As always, it tells you about all of the products in here, so I will give you guys the prices of these. And here is the inside of the box. So first thing in here is this Ofra Kathleen lights. I think that's what it was. It's the Ofra Kathleen, it's the Ofra Kathleen lights like collaboration thing, because I saw this on their website. But anyways, this is the Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick, and this is retails for $20, and the shade that I got is Havana Nights, and I am really not happy with this shade. I was really hoping I would get at least the other shade. It was more of an orangey color. This is like a really dark plum, it looks like. Oh yeah, I'm definitely not going to be wearing this. This is like the second thing in BoxyCharm that I've got this shade. The other was a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and I'm still trying to sell that, but I'm definitely not going to be wearing this. This is the type of colors I just don't wear. I don't wear berry, and I don't wear reds, and I definitely don't wear anything this dark. But it is long lasting, I'll tell you that. Can't barely get off my hand now. But yeah, if I can find somebody to give this to that likes dark colors like this, but I'm not a bold lip person, so I'm kind of upset that I was hoping I would get the other shade, but that's okay. Yeah, I got that shade. Next thing in here is this Briogeo Rose Sarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioner, and this is a little 2 fluid ounce bottle, and this retails for $12. And I got one of these, not this exact one, but I got a Briogeo product in my past BoxyCharm, and I was happy with it. I used all of it up, and I really did like it. It didn't make me want to go out and buy a full size of it, but I do like their products. This is a different one. This is a leave-in conditioning spray made with Brasarco milk, whatever that is. Oh, it's rosehip argan and coconut oil milks, or whatever blend. So that's kind of nice. I mean, I'll use it. Like, it's okay. I'm not thrilled to get this in my box. I didn't know I was getting this. I think everybody is maybe, but it's still a good product. I mean, I'll use it up. Next thing in here is a Starlux eyeliner, and this is a black Ultralux Longwear eye pencil, and we'll try to open this up so I can show you guys how pigmented it is. This is like really hard to get open. I hate when they make these packages so hard to get open. I was hoping it maybe would be more of a liquid eyeliner because I use those a lot more. This is like a gel or cream eyeliner. Get off, this plastic wrap is like sticking to me. And it was rolled all the way out, which is really nice. So yeah, let me put that back where it was. But let's try this out. Okay, so application is very creamy and very nice. It looks good. I like it. Nice, dark, rich black color. I have quite a lot of black eyeliners, but I'm sure I can always use more. And looks like that wiped off pretty easily. But yeah, we'll give it a go. Nextly in here is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Now this I was excited about because I do love Tarte and I do love the Rainforest of the Sea line. So I'm curious to know which colors this one is. This is Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. There was one that was really pretty, but it wasn't this one. So the packaging is really cute. I like it. It kind of looks like a mermaid or a fish or something. Love their packaging. Let's open this up. And, ooh, very nice. Looks really pretty. I do like the colors. Some nice, like, nudes, some golds in there. Looks like only one matte shade, matte transitioning shade there. These are really pretty. They don't have any kind of smell, which is good. I don't always like my eyeshadows to have smell, but yeah, that's what that looks like. Really pretty colors, and I like it. I'll definitely be getting some use out of this that I actually do like. And then the last thing in here is two of these Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys how much these were. I think I mentioned that one. Okay, the Starlux eyeliner retails for $19, which I think is a little bit high for something that's just a plain eyeliner pencil. And then the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette, they're calling it a highlighting eyeshadow palette. It retails for $36, which is typical of Tarte. That's about usually what you're going to be paying. So, oh, I didn't even see they included a little paper in here with some little eyeshadow looks. So I'll be checking those out. Maybe we'll do one of those together. And then the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. It's a 2-pack, and these retail for $24. I have heard really good things about these. I'm really excited to try this out. I think I'm really gonna like them. It's for normal to dry skin, and I really like this brand. I've tried a few things from them, but they are very expensive, so I don't own anything from Tatcha, but pretty excited about trying it out. And they're made in Japan. So that's everything I got in my box. It was pretty good. I'm very, very happy with the eyeshadow palette. I'm happy with the skin masks. The eyeliner, like I'm okay with it, but I'm not like excited about it. It's just a black eyeliner. And then this lip color is not for me. I mean, I'd rather have a nude. I keep putting, I want nudes, but they keep sending me dark stuff. And then, of course, the Briogeo, it's okay. But I'm pretty happy with it for the most part. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do a look with these products, even though I really don't want to use this, but we'll make it work, I guess. I hope you guys will stay tuned for that video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.